Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Paula and today we will be doing a short lesson on the verb rewind. Many persons are confused about whether the past tense is rewinded or rewound. This lesson will clear that up for you, and also I will give you the different formation of the verb when used with all the tenses. So stay tuned, and if you are new to my channel, may I ask you to subscribe now as I continue to bring you insightful English grammar lessons to improve your knowledge of English. What's the meaning of rewind? Rewind means to wind back to or toward the beginning of something, such as a tape or a film. I find that many persons are confused when they attempt to form the past tense of rewind. They assume that the suffix ed should be added as with regular verbs. However, the verb rewind is not a regular verb because it does not follow the standard pattern of forming its simple past and a past participle by adding ed to the base form. Instead of becoming rewinded, it changes to rewound. So yesterday I rewound the tape, not rewinded the tape. That's incorrect. This makes rewind an irregular verb as it requires a different spelling for its past forms. The fact that both the simple past and the past participle of rewind is rewound, this may cause some confusion when applying the tenses. So let's look at the different tenses of rewind with examples. For the present tense, we have the simple present, the present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. For the simple present tense, I, you, we, and they, we use rewind. But for the third person singular, which is he, she, or it, we use rewinds. For example, I always rewind the video to make sure I understand the lesson. And for the third person singular, at the touch of a button, the recorder rewinds the recording to the beginning of the speech. Now, for the present continuous, for all persons, we use rewinding. I am rewinding. You, we, they are rewinding. And he, she, it is rewinding. So, for example, I like that song, so I am rewinding the tape to listen to it again. Or, they are rewinding the show to catch the part they missed. For the present perfect tense, I, you, we, they have rewound, and he, she, it has rewound. For example, I have rewound the video 3 times already, or Mary has rewound the video to the beginning. And the present perfect continuous, I, you, we, they have been rewinding. He, she, it has been rewinding. Examples: you have been rewinding that clip for the past half an hour. And our next example is, in an effort to understand the language, Tom has been rewinding the movie over and over. Now for the past tenses, we have the simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. The simple past: I, you, we, they, he, she, it rewound. So that's for all persons, we use rewound for the simple past tense. Example: they rewound the movie to the beginning. For the past continuous, I, you, we, they, he, she, it was or were rewinding. Examples: I was rewinding the video when the power went out, or they were rewinding the recording when the phone rang. For the past perfect, I, you, we, they, he, she, it had rewound. By the time I got home, my sister had already rewound the entire tape. And for the past perfect continuous, I, you, we, they, he, she, it had been rewinding. The investigators had been rewinding the footage for an hour before they found what they were looking for. And now for the future tenses. We have the simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. For simple future, I, you, we, they, he, she, it will rewind. For example, he said he will rewind the video later to watch that part again. Future continuous. For all persons, we say will be rewinding. So they will be rewinding the tape during the meeting to review the details. For future perfect, for all persons, that is I, you, we, they, he, she, it, we say will have rewound. For example, by this time next week, the secretary will have rewound all the tapes in the archive. And for future perfect continuous, for all persons, we say will have been rewinding. Example, next week, I will have been rewinding this series of lessons for days in order to make notes. To assist you with irregular verbs and their formation, please watch this video, and I will post in the description related videos on verbs and their tenses. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my lessons. Thank you again for joining, and see you next time. Bye-bye.